Hi everyone. So when was the last time you asked yourself this question? That PUT is pronounced as but and BUT is pronounced as but. Well, there is no specific answer to it. But we have a lot of speculations for why this could be the reason. You see, we were not present when this transition happened, but then of course we can make a lot of guesses. One of the most sensible guess that I came across was that the two words came in two different time periods. One came in the medieval time and the other one came in latter. And in the medieval period, we did not have vowels, supposedly. When we did have vowels, we started using one letter for various sounds. Just like we use U for a and U. One thing that I completely forgot to tell you is that if you're looking for a teacher who can help you improve your English language proficiency, well, I highly recommend you that you drop me a line in the comment section and I will give you a reward wherein we can then discuss how to go with the classes. You see, I work with students of all age groups, starting from grade 6th to age 44, maybe over that as well. And there's one thing that I've noted with every student is that if I put my 100% into it, there is, say, 5% of chance that there will not be a result. But then this does not mean that you will not do anything, you have to work hard. I can tell you how to do it. And I've worked with so many students, taking them from say A1 level to B2, sometimes C1 and C2 as well. Okay, it was only when I had a lot of time with them. You will have to dedicate time and a lot of efforts. Okay, so I'll see you there. Wait a minute, were you looking at this car on my head? I actually met with an accident, but that's not the focus of this one. You know the two things, which is the focus of this video, right? Bye.